What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Ant Will Reacts. Today we're going to be reacting to Death Battle between Sindel and Black Canary, or Black Canary versus Sindel. I don't know. I don't know who would win, but I was going to go with Black Canary, but Sindel has magic, so okay, we'll go with Sindel. I'm going with Sindel. Alright, so also while we're reacting, I'm hoping some of my suggestions for Death Battle will be in the next Death Battle. Hopefully. Alright, so let's begin the video. Oh, and just to be clear, I don't own the video, so only Rooster Teeth owns the video and Death Battle. So I don't own this video. Because I really don't want this to be blocked. And yeah, I don't own the video, and if you guys want to see the video on your own, the link's down below. All right, now let's get into the video.
RTX is inspiring.
Inexperienced. Spectacular.
Amazing.
I love seeing everyone who's so passionate about Rooster Teeth and the community that I grew up with, and just see them all in one place.
Ah, jeez.
It's a trope we're all familiar with. The damsel in distress crying for help.
Yeah, Wiz, don't think that's the case here, because these two are the opposite. If you ever hear their cry, you're dead.
Black Canary, the blonde
That hurt my ear.
DC Comics.
And Sindel, the literal Scream Queen from Mortal Kombat. He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick.
And it's our job to analyze their weapons, armor, and skills to find out who would win a death battle. Behold, the Justice Society of America, the first recorded team of superheroes in the DC universe.
Where else could you find a boxer in a catsuit chilling with the spirit of God's divine wrath?
And among these men and gods stood a woman, the judo-chopping Black Canary.
Wait, why a canary? Canaries don't know judo? Or do they?
However, this is not the Black Canary we'll be focusing on today. See, the Black Canary of the Golden Age may have been a skilled crime fighter in her own right, but the one who made the moniker a household name was her daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance.
Dinah wanted to be a crime fighter just like her mom, so she trained with Wildcat, the furry boxer I mentioned earlier.
Her mother wasn't very happy about that, though. Young Dinah's career could have ended then and there, if not for the discovery of what she likes to call her canary cry. Cases such as these weren't ordinary, but well explained. See, Dinah possessed the meta gene, a dormant slice of genetic code present in about 12% of humanity, granting superhuman abilities.
Yeah, Wizard did it. With her new power in martial arts training, Dinah took up her mother's mantle and became Black Canary, the second one. Is it weird that her mom was also named Dinah? They're really forming a dynasty.
Fun fact, originally she disguised herself by donning a blonde wig, but eventually just dyed it permanently.
Blonde? Don't you mean yellow?
Regardless, the canary cry is no joke. By emitting focused ultrasonic sound, Dinah can annihilate the eardrums of anyone nearby.
Or just ramp up the volume and blow people away with shockwaves. She can even stop a runaway train.
It's quite versatile too. She can focus her cries into small sonic projectiles or broaden them to affect entire cities.
And by screaming hard enough at the ground, she can freaking fly. How the hell does that shit work?
Let's dig into this for a bit. For a
I did not see this.
Shockwave, it must possess an intensity.
Oh, right, Banshee did it. Banshee did it, right.
For reference, Black Canary's highest recorded scream clocks in at over 300 decibels.
That's the same level of bulls as a volcano erupting.
All that power comes with a fairly obvious weakness, though. If her throat is damaged, she'll be unable to produce the cry.
That's why she's got some nifty ultrasonic canary bombs that do the super shouting for her.
Not to say she's useless without her superpower, of course.
She's one of comics' greatest ass kickers.
Thanks to Wildcat and her mother, Dinah has trained in jiu-jitsu, karate, Krav Maga, capoeira, and many, many more styles of martial arts. She knows holds that can put you to sleep, a punch that can detonate your heart, and even how to cause instant death by pushing a single nerve cluster.
She's basically the furious, blood-soaked love child of Kenshiro and the bride from Kill Bill. Also, before we go on, all this kung fu talk makes me want to see a judo canary in action. And what better opponent than our very own Mecha Goose Howard?
Did you teach it judo?
So, turns out they don't know judo. Heads up on that one, Wiz.
Even with all that, Dinah's greatest strength is perhaps her uncanny ability to learn and adapt mid-fight. It's what makes her such a great sparring partner to superhuman martial arts master
Defeated
Wonder Woman. It was during
White Canary, Green Arrow, Wonder Woman, and
received time down to the nanosecond.
Sounds crazy, right? But
Mammoth.
how else could she keep up with someone like Wonder Woman? Or how about the time she battled these red tornado androids? Green Lantern was using his power ring to scan for weaknesses, but Dinah said F that and stabbed it hundreds of times super fast. She found its literal Achilles heel before the power ring finished scanning.
That's right, she outsped an alien supercomputer. Keep in mind, Dinah does not technically possess superhuman speed or strength.
But I wouldn't be surprised if she secretly drank some super soldier serum at some point, cause she can outmuscle superhumans and smash steel like it's flimsy wood.
Given the yield strength of steel and the size of her elbow, Dinah must have exerted a force of around 27 tons.
The gal survived a fall into the ocean from 1,000 feet, and even her own canary cry reflected back at her.
It helps that she has a special membrane in her ears that protects her from shockwaves.
Can't say the same for this robot dude, Amazo. For a murder-happy android with the combined powers of the entire Justice League, he sure could have packed some aspirin.
She may be stubborn and hot-headed, but with her powers and training fine-tuned, Dinah proved her mom wasn't the only Black Canary to be reckoned with. She even teamed up with groups such as the infamous Birds of Prey, and at one point took charge of the Justice League, the spiritual successor to the original Justice Society.
Next to her man, Green Arrow. They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that quiver, if you know what I mean. They did sex.
Long story short, Black Canary is without a doubt one of the most badass women in comic book history. The realm of Edenia was a paradise, a Garden of Eden, if you will.
You said that like it was supposed to be clever.
Under the rule of King Jared and Queen Sindel, the realm prospered for millennia, until the arrival of Outworld Conqueror Shao
This
Kahn
guy.
in the tournament of Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat!
By decree of the Elder Gods, a force from another realm must defeat the defending world 10 consecutive times in a tournament to the death.
Unfortunately for Edenia, Khan dabbed on their asses and won Edenia for himself.
To legitimize his rule, Khan murdered Jared, married Sindel, and adopted her daughter Katana as his own. Excessive? Probably.
Needless to say, Cindy wasn't too happy about all that. But it turns out she was a kung fu sorcerer. So, to avenge her kingdom, she underwent a mystic ritual where she offed herself to protect Khan's next target, Earthrealm. And it worked.
For a time. After 10,000 years of hopelessly failing to take the Earth, Khan learned how to undo her protective ward. Sindel was resurrected, brainwashed, and transformed into a fierce queen of dark magic and terror.
She was back and ready to slay. And holy shit did she!
Sindel's Edenian physiology gives her superhuman strength, speed, and durability, allowing her to make mincemeat of Mortal Kombat's regular combatants.
You better have said that with a K.
And despite being dead for the past 10,000 years, she's somehow a master of two forms of Chinese Kung Fu. Jiaquan originates from northern China and is known for its eloquent, graceful, extended movements. Fu Zhao Pai, also known as the Tiger Claw system, focuses on fast, powerful strikes.
Sindel also wields a Quan Do. It's a glaive designed for long-range deflection and carving people up like a Thanksgiving turkey.
Though she hardly needs a weapon when she already has one. Her hair. She can command it to stretch like a tentacle, constrict opponents, and act essentially as an extra prehensile limb.
Not gonna lie, Wiz, that's, kinda hot.
Oh? Would you still think
No,
so if she used it to spin you like a top fast enough to obliterate your body?
What a way to go.
What?
Okay. In comparison to her signature ability, the Banshee Scream. This ultrasonic shout is powerful enough to detonate heads, split limbs, and rend flesh. Her screaming power can even be focused into mystical fireballs of destruction called Star Screamers.
Oh, like that Transformer that we had that pony eat his soul.
No. Sindel once screamed with enough force to annihilate a large part of a canyon. This resembles the effects of a magnitude 5.0 earthquake, comparable to nearly 500 tons of TNT exploding all at once.
With power like that, it's no wonder she was able to strut through Earthrealm's mightiest heroes, which include our old pal, Sub-Zero! What, I kept it as a souvenir.
Who, along with
Cyber
the series combatants,
Sub-Z.
can shatter a block of pure diamond with his bare hand. A feat like this would require a pressure of at least 60 gigapascals. That's over 4,300 tons of force per square inch.
And Cabal!
Who was fast enough to swat machine gun fire out of the air, like the flies in the music's bathroom.
Accurate.
Judging by the likely
Ugh.
velocity and rate of fire, Cabal must have been reacting within 600ths of a second in order to consistently parry these bullets.
And he blocked a bunch of them back to back to back. Too bad Sindel wound up getting blown up and brainwashed all over again. Man, this chick can't catch a break, though the zombie MILF thing's kinda working for her.
Well, that's only one possible timeline. In the original story, she was actually freed from Shao Kahn and regained control of Edenia. In another, it seems the killing of her royal husband was actually her plan all along.
Either way, we're talking about Mortal Kombat. They all die eventually. But compared to the Queen, everyone else might as well have been silent.
All right.
Yeah, we're going with Sindel.
Run the data through all
We're
possible-
definitely going with Sindel.
We'll tell you about hymns.
This episode of Death Battle is sponsored by Hymns.
Hey guys, there's a company out there to help you look your best every day. Hymns.
Did you know that 66% of men start to lose their hair by age 35? I've done research on this myself, and, well, it's true and terrifying.
But hymns can help. If your hairline is starting to run for the scalp, the best way to keep it where it belongs is to do something about it while you still can.
Grab this new year by the follicles. Here's to a year of personal growth with Hims prescription solutions backed by science.
And if you're as shy as Wiz here, it's perfect for you.
Yes, Hims knows some conversations are easier to have online than off. So, with them, you can connect to a real doctor online.
And should you be prescribed, it's shipped right to your front door.
Dive into 2020 hair first. Right now, get started with your first month free.
Go to 4hims.com/deathbattle.
Prescription requires an online consultation with a physician who will determine if a prescription is appropriate. Offer valid only if prescribed. 3-month minimum subscription. Additional restrictions apply. See website for full details and important safety information.
Remember, that's 4hims.com/deathbattle. But right now, it's time for a death battle!
All of them are Baraka.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Enough of
Yes.
this farce, Earthrealmer. Behold your queen! I shall strip the flesh from your bones.
Oh! Oh!
Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby.
No kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Oh!
So are ring outs a thing here?
No.
Sufferable creature, we fight to the death.
So a ring out's a thing here? No. In Mortal Kombat? No.
Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me, can you fly?
Oh! Oh!
Looks like Sindel's head is
Ooh.
blasting up again! Or, well, for the first time, technically.
Ugh.
I tried to look at it, guys.
This battle was a serious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger, but Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta, so I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster, and with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
I know what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels. 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute, that means the Canary Cry would be
About 1 million times stronger than the Banshee Scream, nearly 500 megatons of TNT.
awesome.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner, Black Canary.
Oh, I like her mask. Alright, who's next? Oh, Leo! Versus the Red Ranger. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't know. I'm sorry. But, I was gonna go with Sindel because she has magic, but when they said that Black Canary fought people with either magic powers or any other superpower, yeah, that threw me off. I didn't know she would win. This is like this is the third time. Okay, the next death battle is Leonardo versus Jason from the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, because the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers are the #1 Power Rangers that I watched. So, yeah, I don't know much about Power Rangers, but I do know Mighty Morphin and the movie. So, anyway, yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Share this with your friends. Comment below what you think of the video. And if you want to get notified of all the videos I put up on my channel, go hit the notification button next to the subscribe button. I'll see you all in the next video.